Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we will start Chapter 1, Introduction to Accounting. In this chapter, you will learn meaning of accounting, definition of accounting, objectives of accounting, functions of accounting, accounting process, and the basic terms in accounting. So this accountancy subject is new to you. So you have to put more concentration on the first chapter, that is Introduction to Accounting, because the base of this subject should be strong. So if you have any doubt regarding any topic of this first chapter, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Now let's start with the meaning of accounting. What is this accounting? Accounting is an art of recording. So accounting means what? It is an art of recording. Recording of what? Recording the monetary transactions of a business. Business is all about the money, and these all transactions is to be recorded in the books of accounts, and that is called recording. Classifying these transactions is to be classified on the basis of their nature, that is called classifying. Summarizing these transactions is to be summarized, means preparing a summary of all these transactions is called summarizing, to interpret the results or interpreting the results. Now what is interpreting the results? Giving the financial information of a company to the interested users. So accounting means what? It is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing the monetary transactions in an efficient manner and interpreting the results. Simple. Business. First thing, business. Business is all about the money. Got? In business, different transactions are there. Different monetary transactions. And these all monetary transactions we have to record in one book, that is called recording. And after recording the transactions, these all are to be classified on the basis of their nature. And after classifying the transactions, we have to prepare a summary of all these transactions. So why we have to do all these things? Recording, classifying, and summarizing, to give the financial position, to give the financial information of that particular business. And these all process is called accounting. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing the monetary transaction of a business. Simple. Next is definition. Accounting is defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested user. So, this definition, what it says? Accounting is then defined as the process of identifying. Now, what is identifying? Business involves different transactions. Yes, some are the economic transactions and some are non-economic transactions. Economic transactions means where cash is involved. Non-economic transaction where cash is not involved. In economic transactions, cash is involved, and in non-economic transactions, cash is not involved. So the first step in accounting process is to identify the economic transactions or to identify the cash transactions. That is called identifying, which can be measurable. Measurable in terms of rupees, amount. Recording and communicating. Recording is passing the general entries and communicating the information of that business to the interested user. So accounting is defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating the information to the interested users. So this is the definition and meaning of accounting. So this topic will be asked for 2 marks. Write the meaning of accounting or write the definition of accounting. Next is functions of accounting. This is a 5 marks question. Functions of accounting. In that number 1, identifying. As I told you, in business, 2 types of activities are there. Economic and non-economic activity. So the first step of accounting is to identify the business transaction or to identify the economic transaction of a business. Second one, recording. After identifying the economic transactions, these all transactions is to be recorded in the books of account. That is passing the general entry. Third one, classifying. After recording the transactions, these all transactions are to be classified. Now, how you will classify all these transactions? The transactions will be of different nature. Samadhi, income, samadhi, expenses, some will be the assets, and some are liabilities. So the transactions will be of different nature. Income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. So the third function of accounting is classifying. So on the basis of their nature, these all transactions are classified. For example, cash received. It is a income. So it is to be recorded here. Salary or wages paid to the workers. It is a expense. So it is will be recorded here. Purchased machinery. It is a machinery is a asset of a company. So it will be recorded in the assets account. Loan taken from bank. Loan, it is a liability of a business. So it is to be recorded in liability. So in third function of accounting, the transactions are to be classified depending upon their nature. Fourth point, summarizing. After classifying the transactions, we have to prepare the summary of all these transactions. That is, putting the balances of all the accounts at one place. That is, preparing the trial balance. In fifth or sixth chapter, you have to prepare the trial balance. A chapter is there, preparing the trial balance and rectification of error. So in fourth point, what we have to do? We have to prepare a summary of the transaction, that is preparing the trial balance. Fifth point, communicating. The last function of accounting is communicating. The financial report or the financial position of the company is to be communicated with the interested users. So these interested users are classified into 2 parts. Number 1, internal users and external users. So the financial report of a company or the financial information of a company is to be communicated with the internal users and external users. So internal users means who? Who are within the organization, the persons who are associated with the company or associated with the business, they are called internal users. Who will come? The management, board of director, or the owners of that company. So these people are called internal users. External users means who are outside the organization or outside the business. Who will come? The shareholders who have invested their money, government, creditors, bank, or any financial institutions. So these all people are called external users. So the financial report of a company is to be communicated with the internal users and external users depending upon their requirement. So these five are the functions of accounting: identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, and communicating. So in today's class, what we have learned: meaning of accounting, definition of accounting, and functions of accounting. Hope you got the topic. In my next video, we will discuss the objectives of accounting. And for more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.